Hi to everyone. In this video I will show you the Addiator. It was a pocket calculator. It came in a pouch. As you can see, it's very thin. And here you had your pencil, your stick. And to do an addition, it was quite easy because you would just choose your number. So 426 plus, let's say, 352. And here I have the addition straight away. To reset it, I just push this lever up. If now I want to do a subtraction, I can do 454 minus 211. I turn it around and I insert 11 here, 211 here. And so I have my subtraction, which is 243. As you probably have noticed, when I do any number, I will have these red lines coming up here. So what do they mean? They mean that if I now want to add a number which is in those lines, I have to do the carry by hand. So let's say I want to add to 555, 666. So I'll have to do like this. 600. You see that if I go down, I have an arrow here appearing. 66. And so that gives me 1221. To do multiplication, I can do repeated additions, which is not very practical, but probably faster by hand. But let's say I want to do 32 by 4, I do 32, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, and that gives me 128. In a similar way, one could do subtractions, but it's really not practical, not easy. I won't do an example. There's also the possibility to do it with the complement to 9 method, which I've seen people doing on the internet. So if you want to know exactly how to do that, I suggest you go watch another video. But if you think about a time when there were no digital calculators and the mechanical calculators that we have seen were all weighing from 3 kilos up, this was a viable solution to do big calculation, because anyway, if I want to do, let's say, 552,671 plus 464,552. I have my addition, which is 1,017,223, which is quite fast, quite quick to do. So it still was, I believe, a practical instrument if you had to quickly do additions and subtractions when you were on the move and by hand. Okay, thank you very much. Have a nice day.